So it's the next morning, and I, sorry, my voice is a little scratchy. This is the, I don't know if you guys know this, I'm sure most of you do. So some of you do. These are my clothes out in here. And, if you don't have these, get them when you are sitting by the pool or by the beach. These will hold your towel on the lounge chair. They're cheap. Got those on Amazon. Literally, I have 6 days of clothes in just these two things, and you don't need to. I'm gonna do things one-handed. You don't need to even open those valves right here. You can just, if I can do this one-handed because I'm holding the camera. Sorry, I can't put the camera down. I'm gonna pause this for a second. Okay, I am back. So I have to like open this a little bit. So these are clothing, undergarments, I mean everything. I'm joking about okay, I gotta pause again. Oh, I wish you guys had heard this, when it popped open. So I have like bathing suits, everything in here. And it looks like I just throw them in there. I didn't. I really nicely put them in there, but as I was trying to shape it to fit inside just the one section of the suitcase, so everything got kind of crushed in, but that's okay. That's why they have irons for. So I literally have, I think, about, I gotta show you guys all that fit in there. I just don't remember where I have my undergarments. I don't want to put all my business out. As you can see, they were folded at one point. So y'all, so everything that fit, and this is the biggest one of the two. I'm just gonna dump them. So this is all that fit in there. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shorts. I have these I wear over my bathing suit, and I have 1, 2 dresses. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tops. I have a kimono, and I have 1 and 2 bathing suits, and this is a set, like a sleeping set. That's like shorts, top, and a robe to sleep in. And all of this fit in this bag. And then I pumped everything out, and you saw what was in there. And this one, I'm not gonna go through it because it does have my undergarments in there. But I have a poncho I've had for like years. I bought actually here in Mexico. I do have my sweater, it's a long sweater. And then I have socks, undergarment, what else I have in there? I don't remember, but I have and tank tops. I have maybe about 6 or 7 tank tops in here as well. So all of this fit into 2 bags for like 6 days. And on the other side of, I'm showing you all my business and everything. Okay, I had to kind of do like a do-over because I had to remove some unmentionables. Anyway, so on the other side, in here, I have, I open everything one-handed. All my toiletries and things that fit in here. The big one is my lotion, and all the rest are like face wash, cream, and yada yada yada. Makeup fit in here. More makeup, jewelry fit in here. Some flushables over here. And I also have some toothpaste. Sorry y'all. Floss. On this side I have some sunscreen. Yes, black people need sunscreen too. And there's something else. Oh, and my perfume. Now, for those of you who, if you have not purchased this or seen this, it's life. So my big perfume at home, because I was not planning on checking in any bag, so everything that I have was actually carry on. So you take the top off your perfume, you put this on top of it, and you pump it, and then you can see the perfume in here. It's all the way on top over here, and it smells, well, it's my regular perfume, so it's pretty good. So, and then I have things in here. I have my books in here. I have my Clorox wipes in here, my masks and other stuff, iPod, earbuds, and everything else in here. So, oh, and of course in here I have another head. Oh, also I have head wraps, a couple head wraps on the other bag, with my undergarments and stuff. So there's another head wrap that I have. I love using head wraps for you guys to know who I am. I love head wraps. And then these are my books. If you don't know about my books, get to know about my books. So I have it in English. It says I am not being lazy, I just don't understand. And that's me. And I also have it in Spanish. For those of you who speak Spanish, or people who speak Spanish, get your copy. And I also have it translated in Haitian Creole. For those of you who don't know, I am from Haiti, originally born in Haiti. I have some stuff here, because if you get some back situation, you got some vitamin C, girl, look, I got all kinds of stuff for her. The pump that I need for the bag, and I got 2 sandals in here, my toothbrush, a couple of COVID tests, and there's another one over here, and this is my dirty laundry bag. So you guys can do this. If you pack right, you can do this. Oh, before I end, so I had some situations, so I gotta show you guys this. Like, this is so crazy. That was part of my airport saga. So I've had this little suitcase for a very, very long time while we were going through customs. So I kept feeling, I'm like, this is so weird, because one of the wheels ripped right off. I was like, OMG. So I'm going to get another suitcase. As if that wasn't enough. So I've had this little bag right here. I gotta show you. Oops, don't fall. I have had this little bag right here a number of years, but I've only used it about 3 or 4. I think this is my 4th time using it. This handle was not looking like this when I started earlier today. Well, yesterday at this point, it's after midnight. It was mostly black, and all of a sudden it started rubbing off. I know, because sometimes you have things for a very long time, and maybe I didn't store it properly, so now all this is ripping off. So you already know that I'm gonna need another bag, because this is not going to work. Look at this. As if that's not enough. Oh no, look at this. I'm not even, you guys, trying not to laugh, but I gotta laugh, because this whole thing, like, I'm not even exaggerating, you guys. The bag was not looking like that earlier today. It was not like this earlier today. But for whatever reason, I'm going to bed, y'all. I'm going to bed.